And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
I mentioned this yesterday. It just seems so easy just to go 70s and sunny. We just keep doing it on a regular basis, and we did it again today. Little Britney Spears, oops, we did it again. Block Island, sunshine, and really nice. And it wasn't whether you were at the coast or inland. We talked yesterday how this would be an equal opportunity temperature today because the winds turned more northerly. We had this little trough move through last night, brought a little cloud cover at times during the overnight. But what it did was it changed the winds from south to north. So when your airflow comes from the north, there's no sea breeze. So therefore, the temperatures at the coast today were in the 70s. In fact, Groton, Connecticut right now is at 78 degrees. I said a few locations may hit 80 degrees. I didn't expect it at the coast, but nonetheless, a lot of 70s for everybody in a very warm day, all of New England, and then stretch it all the way back down into the Ohio Valley, the Mid-Atlantic, and even down towards the Carolinas. Many locations are right around that 80-degree mark. The coolest of air in the U.S. is all out west still, and it's going to stay there. Even though we have a drop in temperature as we go into the weekend, all it's going to do is bring us back to where we should be for this time of year. Hour by hour, it remains very mild again tonight. Clouds will be building in, though, and I do think by the time we get to midnight, it's overcast for most locations. Temperatures, though, by 1 a.m. are still sitting right around 60 degrees. Very mild, almost about what our high temperature should be for this time of year. And then tomorrow, we do have to deal with more clouds. We talked about this yesterday. There's a weak frontal boundary that will be hanging out across the area. So what it's going to do, it will limit your sunshine. In fact, the better chance of sunshine will likely be for locations closest to the Connecticut state line. But the temperatures will not take a hit because of the lack of sun. In fact, we're still going to be up in the 70s for most locations. And if you don't quite get to 70, you'll be in the upper 60s, like a 69 in Newport or maybe even Narragansett. Southeastern Mass, a little bit more cloud cover. The east you go, less of a chance of sunshine, say for Marshfield and Plymouth and Cape Cod. A little bit of sun pops for Attleboro and Fall River, and your temperatures as well, mainly in the low to mid 70s, and it turns out to be a nice day. So your planner for tomorrow, jump in the morning from 50s to 70, and then we'll get stuck in the low 70s with that passing cloud cover at times. Not the brightest day, but still very warm, and not a bad way to end the week. It stays dry. And despite the cloud cover, it's still a decent day. Satellite and radar, there's a few clouds now working across the area, even a few little sprinkles to our north, but we stay dry tonight. Clouds will increase. Frontal boundary to our east kind of works back into the area, keeping the clouds around, but not really a threat of rainfall until we get to the weekend. It'll be from this cold front that's out in the Midwest now. Eventually, it will start to move east, make it to the Ohio Valley tomorrow, and then be to our west Saturday during the day, and then make it into the area by Saturday night. So let's play it out on Futurecast. I talked about this little weak frontal boundary to our east, kind of just hangs out here for the next 24 hours. That's going to keep the clouds around. There'll be some showers to our north during the day tomorrow, but we stay dry. This front will dissolve, and the next cold front that I showed you in the Midwest will move closer to the area on Saturday. Saturday is mainly just a cloudy day. Frontal boundary to our west at 2:30 p.m., bringing some heavy rain to New York and Pennsylvania. A breeze will kick up preceding the front, and then by evening, as the front moves closer to the area, so does the rainfall. In fact, Saturday night, some of that rainfall will be heavy at times. Could even be a few rumbles of thunder, so might have a little lightning during the overnight hours. The front will race through the area so quickly that most of the rain will fall at night. By Sunday morning, as the front moves east, any clouds in the morning will clear out, and we'll pop some sunshine in the afternoon. So it looks like both days themselves will stay dry. Sunday, the brighter of the two, with most of the rain falling at night. Once we get past the weekend and we've cooled down a little bit, lots of sunshine for next week. A little cool Monday and Tuesday, moderating temperatures for Wednesday and Thursday. John.
All right, Jeff, thank you. I can't believe those low temperatures. They feel great. Still to come on ABC6 News, first at 4, tragedy in Norway. A man kills 5 people using a bow and